Hello and welcome to Retired Desi. Today we are sharing Sanji's recipe for Dal Makhani. Dal Makhani is a very popular Desi dish which is made with a mixture of lentils or dal. The traditional recipe has plenty of butter and cream. Sanji's recipe uses less than a quarter teaspoon of butter and cream per portion and is absolutely delicious. Here are the ingredients for today's recipe. This recipe makes approximately 12 portions. If you haven't already done so, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Take 1.5 cups of whole Urad dal, a quarter cup of Channa Dal, and 1/3 cup of Rajma or red kidney beans. Wash thoroughly till the water is clear, then soak overnight. Before cooking, discard the water used to soak the dals. We are using an instant pot for this recipe, but we also use a pressure cooker or a saucepan to cook this dish. Turn on the saute mode on the instant pot. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and when the oil is hot, add 1 bay leaf, 1 piece of cinnamon, 4 green elaichi or cardamom, 4 cloves, and 1 teaspoon of crushed coriander. When the spices crackle, add the soaked dals and approximately 4 cups of water. Add a quarter cup of tomato paste or crushed tomatoes. Add 2 teaspoons of cumin or jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander or dhania powder, and salt to taste. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger julienne and 1 teaspoon of chopped green chilies. Mix all the ingredients well and bring to a boil. Now add another 2 cups of water and adjust the salt as required. Once the water is boiling, cover the pot, set it to sealing, and turn on the bean setting. Once the dal is cooked, remove the lid and add water as required. Then allow the dal to simmer. We are now going to prepare the tarka. In a frying pan, heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and when the oil is hot, add 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds or jeera seeds. Once the cumin seeds crackle and lightly brown, add 1 tablespoon each of chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Mix well and fry over medium heat for about a minute. Then turn off the heat and add 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. It is important to turn off the stove before adding the paprika powder to prevent the paprika from burning. Now add the tarka to the simmering dal and mix well. Adjust the salt as required. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, and then add 2 tablespoons of 35% whipping cream. Mix well and allow to simmer. The Dal Makhani is now ready to serve. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves, tomato julienne, ginger julienne, and some cream. Dal Makhani is traditionally served with naan or roti and or rice. We hope you will try this recipe and share it with family and friends. For now, please like and share this video and then leave a comment below. Thanks once again for watching our channel. Till next time.